When there is a faulty electrode contact, the EPT icon will blink red, and the intensity value will blink on the display. Turn off the patient programmer. Make sure the gel on the electrode patch is in good condition. The maximum duration of electrode patch is 4 days, but it could be less depending on factors that accelerate wear. Friction, buildup of oil, dead skin flakes, hair, salt from sweat, dirt, or excessive overhydration could compromise the gel's contact surface. Discard the worn or damaged electrode patch and begin with a new one as needed. Make sure that the EPT is securely fastened to both snaps of the electrode patch. The gel on the electrode patch should have direct, full surface contact with bare skin. To resume therapy, simply turn on the patient programmer. Be sure to watch Bionis' video, Preparing Your Skin for the User Patch, to improve the electrode conductivity.